Hi peeps! Today I'm making lemonade. I've got loads of lemons. It's raining lemons. Okay, let's make some lemonade. Lemonade. Okay, first I need to go wash my hands. Okay, I'll be back when I've washed my hands. Ding! Okay, wash my hands. Okay, the first step is roll, roll, roll the lemon. Roll, 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 roll. Let's roll, let's roll, let's roll, let's roll, let's roll, let's roll. You could roll them yourself, or you could get a baby roller. Roll the lemon! Roll, 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 roll. No. Okay. Roll the lemon. Roll, 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 roll. Use a great roller. So peeps, next we need to chop them in half. Let's karate chop! Ah! Let's karate chop this properly now. Ooh. Perfecto! Bam, 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 bam. Chopped it in half.
This is my bit, buddy.
No.
See
Let's go. Okay. Let's chop up the rest of the lemons. So, chopped up 6 lemons. Yeah, that's how many I'm using. I'll show you. Lemons, 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 lemons. Let's squeeze, 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 squeeze. Let's do some squeezing now. Let's squeeze. Let's do some proper squeezing. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Best squeezer in town. Okay, that was very hard. Want to see what all the lemons look like now? Okay. Wow, they look way different to the start. And here's all my lemon juice, or whatever. And it's got some zest in it, which is why I recommend you save at least 2 lemons. You'll find. Okay, guys. Now what we're gonna do is I've got two lemons left, which I'm gonna use to scrape all the zest off. Not all, but some, so I can put it in my thing. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, la 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 la. Got it down. My whatever this is. My peeler. I can hear my little brother's watching something. Just gonna scrape. Do not scrape off the white bits though, because that makes it bitter. Whoa! Sorry about that. Anyway, I've had some time and I tidied up a bit. I got all my zest in. I can't see. That's disgusting. And I've got my sugar, but I haven't got enough. But the video must go on. We'll sacrifice anything. I'm going to use some honey with water in it, even. Well, that's what I am going to do. Okay, well, I might as well just pour all the sugar in. Pour. Need to grab a mixing spoon. Okay, got some more. Gonna pour this in. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go get a mixing spoon. Yeah, I got it. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Let's go mix. Let's whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk, whisky, whisk. A whisk, whisk, whisky, whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. A whisk, whisky, whisk. A whisk, whisk, whisk. A whisk, whisky, whisk. A whiskey, whisk. A whiskey, a whisk. A whiskey, whisk. A whiskey, whisk. Okay, I've only got 1% on my iPad right now. So I'm gonna pour my... And if you're wondering why that matters, I'm filming on my iPad. Okay, I'm gonna pour this in with some more honey that Dad just put in. Split, splat, splittity, splat. Honey, honey, honey. Come out, honey. Oops, got some on the table. Okay, that's enough. Going to the stove. To the stove. Going to the stove. Let's roast, 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 roast. Let's roast. Okay, the top's on. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. That's nice. Nice to see. Let's go into the bubbly, bubbly. Let's go into the bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. Mix, mix, mix. Bubbly, bubbly, mix, mix, mix. Bubbly mixing, bubbly mixing, bubbly mixing. We're really done. I mean, nearly done. Once it's been all cooked, it's been all roasted, that means we're gonna be using a sieve to get all the little seeds, all the stuff that we don't need. And then I'm pretty sure it's done. Is it done after that?
Then you just cool it down.
Okay, after it cools down. Do you have any ice? If we have ice, I'm going to put some ice in it.
Then you make some water and you put it in a cup.
I'm excited for the drinking the best. Bye. I'm so sorry, peeps. My iPad just went so flat. I've had a little taste tester because it's finished roasting. And I know my last sentence was, which probably for you was 2 seconds ago, but for me it was like, I don't know, quite a while ago. 10 minutes ago. Wasn't my last word like roast? I never got to say roasted. I never got to zoom in to the red flames. Okay, let's go check on it. Actually, no, because I can't take my iPad off charge yet. It's on charge right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go check on it. See ya. Do, 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 do. Okay, I've sieved out all the stuff. This one looks like orange juice, but it's lemon juice. And if you drink it just like this, it's nice, but it's really strong. So you're meant to mix it with some water, and I gotta go put this in the fridge to cool down. Okay, peeps, it's in the fridge. I'm bored. Okay, I'm so bored. Bored. Look at boredom has led me. Under the table. Still bored. Okay. We are so under the table. Actually, look at the ground. We're like so under the table. La. I don't know if you saw, but yeah. Let's go back up. So peeps, I want to give a shout out to my friend Denise. Anisi, hi Anise, if you're watching. And my little brother's screaming Power Rangers, which is for you too, Anise. I'm gonna go check on the fridge. Why did I wait? I'm gonna make an ice block with just some water and ice. And Albert, shut up! And yeah, wait, I just had a genius idea. The ultimate peep had the genius idea. The ultimate peep is me. And the genius idea is, why don't we put our lemonade into this? Only a tiny bit though, and some water. Mind blown. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Let's do it. But sadly, we have to wait. Actually, I'm going to do it now. Okay. I just totally did it. Ultimate taste. Let's go put it in the freezer. The ultimate peep is returning. Sing. Oh. Loud. Oh. Now. Oh. Okay, shut up now. I need to get rid of this stuff. That's way better. Let's sit down. Let's go check on it. The ultimate peep. Yes, still not cold enough. Sorry if this is boring you out. You can skip to the end. Oh. brain. Hi, Harpoon. You are now in Bonnie's brain. Come, bow to me, my guards. Boom, 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 toot, toot, boom, boom, toot, boom, boom, toot, toot, boom, boom, toot, toot, boom, boom, toot, boom. Wait, let me boom my drum. Boom, boom. Spinach, yeah! Spinach. Okay, go back to number. Wee, let's go. Wee. You guys taste disgusting, no offense. Blech. Couldn't keep you in my brain. You're killing my boom toot toots. They came to life! Okay. See ya. Okay, iPad went flat again. But at least it had enough time for this to cool. I added some cold berries in. And I added lots of water with it. I only had like this much of the actual lemonade stuff, and then the rest is water, all mixed. Then some frozen berries, so that I can just make it a bit colder and more refreshing. Cheers. You have to try this at home. It takes a lot of work, but it is so worth it.